Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Certify Expense Management Review My Usage Experience. Certify Expense Management Review My Usage Experience offers a review and analysis service for expense management software, specifically targeting businesses and individuals seeking to evaluate the suitability of Certify's expense management platform. It likely provides comparative analysis, feature breakdowns, and overall usability assessments. Their website provides details on the specific services offered. Their website provides details on their comprehensive review process. They highlight aspects like ease of use, integration capabilities, and reporting features. They emphasize a thorough analysis to help potential users make informed decisions. Pricing is likely detailed on their website. Availability is also specified on their website, as it depends on the client's needs and the platform being reviewed. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Certify Expense Management Review My Usage Experience. I was tasked with evaluating a few different expense management software solutions for my small business. Certify was on the list, and I found this review service invaluable. Getting started was straightforward. I simply filled out a short form on their website, specifying the aspects of Certify I wanted them to focus on, particularly the mobile app and integration with our accounting software. The interface of the review itself was clean and well organized. The report I received was detailed and well written, clearly outlining Certify's strengths and weaknesses in relation to my specific requirements. The review highlighted some minor usability issues with the mobile app that I wouldn't have noticed otherwise, along with some incredibly useful reporting features. I had a quick question about a specific metric in the report, and their support responded within 2 days via email, answering my query thoroughly. I was really impressed by how detailed the analysis was and how it was presented in a digestible way. The standout feature for me was definitely the objective, unbiased approach. One minor drawback was the turnaround time. It took a little over a week to receive the complete report. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Certify Expense Management Review My Usage Experience and would highly recommend it to anyone looking for a thorough evaluation of Certify or other expense management software. That's my overview of Certify Expense Management Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.